The 2024 plant distribution season has been impacted by the harsh dry season and severe drought conditions that restricted access to water and planting material. Despite these challenges, preparations are largely on track for the upcoming planting season. Nigel Gibbs, supervisor of propagations at Maribor Propagation Station, indicated that most plants will be available for farmers except for citrus. He said challenges persist in setting up shade houses tailored for citrus propagation in a controlled environment. Gibbs indicated that particular focus will be placed on mangoes, mentioning new varieties that will be available to farmers.
So we have East India, which is a new introduction. It's a mango from India, from the East Indies, but it was brought to Grenada and has good commercial potential. So that is one of the new varieties, and it's been a couple years now, but we're still trying to get it in. I think as the farmers and them get accustomed with it, and probably we get access again to the US market because it's one of the varieties with good export potential. We have a little one called Trinidad Stash. Very beautiful, very tasty, very creamy mangoes. So we have those two varieties that have been on the back burner that we increasing in production. We have a new mango. It's not fully out there yet, but it's something that we discovered from a farmer, and we think that there is potential. We've done some tests on it. The sugar content is quite good. It's a good table mango, no threads and so on. And so we started propagating that, and also very small amount of farmers have purchased that. So we're looking very good with mangoes.
Finding planting materials for avocado propagation was initially challenging, but the station's team has now secured over 100 for distribution, along with more than 3,000 sourshops.
We have avocados. That is one. This year we probably had some issues with collecting the budwood because of the drought. The trees were not the long period, and it was difficult for us to get the planting material, including the seeds, because the pear did not bear as in our regular season where we would have, and normally it's a 2-year cycle. So we had a low seed pear production last year, avocado production, and so our seed acquisition was kind of not where we wanted to be. We also had to deal with a lot of pre-dealasting of the avocados. So when they go with the avocado, the seed is lost in the same timeline. But we have just bothering on probably 1,000 avocados, and I think that would suffice for the planting season. And we are still in the process of grafting the avocados. Soursop. We have a soursop value chain committee that is active, and we were looking to now graft the soursop as an addition to providing seedlings so that we would have true to type from the parent material.
Gibbs is cautioning about potential shortages in pineapple, sweet potatoes, yams, and other crops. The official launch of the 2024 plant distribution season is scheduled for Wednesday, June 26th at the Maribor Propagation Station. Plant sales will commence the following day, Thursday, June 27th at Maribor, Ashinden, and Maran Propagation Stations. Christina John, GBN News.